Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to take this green color of square paper, fold it from its sides like this. Now flip it and fold it and make this triangular shape. After this, we're going to make 8 such colorful heart shapes and tuck all of them one after another. And we're going to make a ring, and look, it is ready. We're going to make paper container today. First, we're going to make the heart-shaped container. So fold this paper from its sides, look like this. Now gently open it and press it. First, we're going to make the square box. Now we're going to hold it from one corner, look like this. Press it inside, adjust it, and look, you will get this heart-shaped container. Now we're going to combine all of them together and look, it's ready. You can also make it like this. First, we're going to make the flower. So fold this yellow color of paper, cut it from the side, and now we're going to make 7 such pieces. As you can see, we are going to paste it. You can see the marked sign. We are going to paste it from that only. Now paste it at the center of the greeting card. Add some glitters and pearls on the top, and it's ready. Here we're going to take this square paper and fold it from the diagonals. Now we're going to fold it and make the triangular shape. Again flip it and fold it, and you will get these 2 shapes. Now we're going to open the particular shape and then make the triangular one. Press it from the side and flip it. After this, we're going to take another piece, and similarly we're going to open it from the corners. Now we're going to tuck both paper together from the sides, from the top as well, and look, your beautiful bag is ready. After this, we're going to take another paper. Using this, we're going to make the front cover of the bag. So tuck the paper inside and cover it like this. Let's make the handle and paste all of them together. We're also making the wheels and paste it on the bottom side. Draw the smiley face and eyes, and look, it is ready. Here we are going to take this yellow color of paper, fold it into half, then we are going to make multiple folds from the sides. Now pull the paper downwards and again press it. After this, we are going to tuck the paper inside, and we are making these pleats here. Now we are going to hold it from the other side as well and repeat the same process. Now we are going to press it, and look, your crown is ready. Decorate it with pearls. Here we are going to use 2 different color of paper, green and yellow, and make multiple folds like this. Now we are going to make 4 such shapes and tuck all of them together at the center, look like this. Now fold it like we are doing here in this video and tuck the paper inside, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to repeat the same process from other side as well. We are going to take 2 of them, fold it and lock it like this. We're going to take square paper and make small fold from the top. Now fold it into half. After this, we're going to make the triangular folds from both its sides. Again, we're going to fold it from the corner and tuck it inside, look like this. Repeat the same process from other side. Now flip it, and we're going to fold the edges, look like this. Make a shape of heart, blow it from the bottom, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.